Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. Okay, today I'm going to show you my mini garden. Okay, I live in an apartment in Singapore. It's not easy to do gardening when you have a space restriction, but I try my level best to do as much gardening as possible, grow my own vegetables. So I will go around, show it to you what are the plants I have. We're going to do some trimming today, so you'll be able to see that as well. Okay, this is my tomato plant. We just took, one full tomato, cut it into slices, put it in the soil, and yes, we got a tomato plant. It's yet to heal any tomatoes. We have not got any tomatoes yet. Hopefully, we'll have one soon. Okay, we have spring onion over here, curry leaves, pandan. This is ginger, lady's finger. Okay, this is my neem tree. Okay, neem is, as you all know, it's antibacterial. The air, when before it enters a house, it purifies, it cleansifies. So that's the reason why I have a neem tree in front of my house. This is holy basil. Okay, yeah, you guys might ask what is this pot which I'm putting in. Okay, in Indian house we have something called tulasi madam. Tulasi means holy basil, and madam is where the holy basil is kept. For us, tulasi is, or holy basil is something very holy, it's something for prayers. So I keep it here. We could get it in the Indian stores over here at any flower shops. It's easily available. Okay, now I and Kaka is going to do some gardening, clean up this area. Later I'll show you how it looks after a cleanup has been done. Are you taking? கருவேப்பிலை கேட்டு பார், என் வீட்டு ஜனகமே எல்லாமே கேட்டு பார், என் வீட்டு தென்னங்கீற்றை இப்போதே கேட்டு பார், என் பேர் சொல்லுவே. Ya, mak, pandai ni. Kakak, kali all done, cleaned up. Yes, I've transferred my parsley from inside. It has wilted. Hope it grows. Okay. Curry leaves, pandan, trimmed, but it still looks like a jungle. Ginger, lady's finger, my neem tree. Woohoo! And my holy basil, nicely tied up. Okay. Okay, that's my moringa tree of Murungaka. Okay. It has many medicinal values. Let me bring closer. As you guys can see, there is 1, 2, and 3 flowers. Means, 4, 5. Means we're going to have 5 moringa fruits. Alright, let me bring it across here. This is pulichakire or sour spinach. My tomato plant which is outside, we brought it in. Yeah, as you can see, I have a lot of empty pots here. Basically, there are some seeds in it like kangkong. Recently, we got some seeds from NEA. Yeah, so we are growing some kangkong, some lady's finger. Hope it grows. This is my indoor plant. Okay, this is basically just for decoration. Okay, I have one more ginger plant here. I think I guys put a kangkong seed over here. This is jasmine. Okay, no seeds have been planted here yet. Aloe vera and betel leaf. Okay, the bell. I have 3 owls here. This was given to me by my friend. Okay, so she got it from Decor. That's here. That represents me, my husband, and my son Sunil. And my fountain, yes, it does need cleaning. Okay, let me show you the surrounding of my house just outside. There is a mango tree. Okay, there's a lot of mangoes over there, but unfortunately I can't pluck them. It's government property. But can you see, it's beautiful, right? There are other trees around. So basically guys, I live with nature surrounding me. Okay. Hey. Hey guys, now I hope you enjoyed the mini tour of my garden. Okay. So until I see you next time, please subscribe to my channel, stay safe and have a good day.